In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone speaker sound too low. It's pretty easy. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's jump right in. Let's hop into the settings of your iPhone and scroll down and tap on accessibility. Tap on touch and scroll all the way down and tap on call audio routing. We want this to be set to automatic, because if it's set to anything else, you will simply not be able to hear the call. Let's back out of here. Now tap on hearing devices. Ensure hearing aid compatibility is turned off, as long as you don't have hearing aids. Now let's back out of the accessibility menu and hop into the sounds and haptic setting. And scroll close to the bottom and tap on headphone safety. And just make sure reduce loud audio is toggled off. Let's back out of the headphone safety setting and scroll to the top. And make sure the volume for ringtone and alerts is set to max. This would also be a good time to double check that your iPhone ringer is indeed on and it isn't in silent mode. So toggle that from the left side of your iPhone and make sure that trigger is up towards your iPhone screen. Now, if none of these help, I recommend you restart your phone. And to do that, just hold down the volume down and power buttons together. And when the prompt shows up on your screen, slide to power off. Give it 30 seconds and hold down the power button and power your iPhone back up and test your speaker sound again. I hope this helps, and if it did, please hit the subscribe button below. It really helps me out.